Aha! The beloved air fryer. Not only does it make lovely crispy fries, but it just saves so much time with very little effort. What's up everybody, Zacky here from Geek Culture with another fantastic video bringing all things that is good and delicious with this bad boy, the Phillips Air Fryer XXL. This spaceship looking thingy-majiggy not only makes your store-bought finger food delicious, but with all that extra space, you can actually fit a whole chicken in it. No lie guys, no lie. Yes, a whole chicken, thanks to its 7.3 litre basket capacity. Essentially, cooking a family-sized meal gets a whole lot easier with this huge, humongous air fryer. We are talking about 1.4 kilograms of fries here. That's a lot of fries. So whether you're having a party or cooking for your family, this is basically an all-in-one solution for whipping up healthier meals. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this baby to the test, as well as to go through some of its neat little features so that you can decide whether this air fryer is for you. We're gonna do fries, mushrooms, fish, as well as a whole chicken. All simple, lazy geek recipes that you can do yourself at home. It's the 21st century, my dudes and dudettes. There's no reason you need pots and pans anymore. So before we get cooking, let's check out some of its nitty-gritty details. Woohoo! First of all, this air fryer just looks great. Looks amazing with its sleek, glossy, deep black overall with copper accents. With the buttons and the handle, as well as the knob over here. Yeah, the overall design just makes it look like it can fit in any kitchen. One thing to note though, this air fryer is humongous. It's 43 centimeters long, 32 centimeters in depth, and 31 centimeters in height. So do keep in mind that you will need some table space if you haven't already. Not to mention, it's quite hefty as well, weighing about 8 kilograms. So with the Phillips Air Fryer XXL, what you get is 6 buttons on the interface panel. The first button is a stay warm or reheat button. Second one, you can save your current settings as your favorite. The air fryer also allows you to set in manual mode the temperature and the timer function, as well as a go back to the menu button, and of course the power button. On top of that, with the turn knob, you have 5 prefix programs which allows you to cook frozen fries, raw meat, and even fish. So there's some cool tech behind this air fryer. It has this cool thing called the smart sensing technology that automatically adjusts the time and temperature for the perfect results every time. And with its instant heat and rapid airflow technology, the food you cook will be 1.5 times faster than your typical toaster oven. So with that said, let's get to cooking some fries. Yeah. So what we got here is a bag of fries. We're gonna pretty much throw about half the bag. Yeah, let's just do that. That should be enough fries for everyone, eh? So in terms of ergonomics, the Phillips Air Fryer XXL uses a rating system, so you can simply slide in and slide out. The handle is detachable, so you can actually load your fries and put it in. Yeah, let's load this in. All we need to do is press the frozen fries picture over here on the display and go. And now we wait. So with the instant heat and rapid airflow technology, there's no need for you to actually preheat your air fryer. Just simply plug and play, load your fries in, or load whatever you're cooking in, and just wait. So another great feature about this Phillips Air Fryer XXL is its cool wall exterior. It also has feet at the bottom, so it doesn't matter what surface you're gonna work on, it won't burn your table or your countertop. So yeah, not hard at all. Amazing guys. So our fries are not just about done, but you can hear it's beeping. Means that it's time to take it out and give it a shake. So, reel out. Oops. Sorry. So give it a nice shaker. Put it back into the air fryer and go. So it looks like our fries is ready. Let's take a look at how it looks like. Wow, kinda nice and almost golden brown, but is it crispy? Oh, it's like oven baked fries. Nice. And what you wanna do is add a sprinkling of salt. Kind of like my fries salty. And just a dabble of all-purpose seasoning. I'm using Cajun, so just sprinkle all of it there. Yeah. Don't mind the mess. And let's just have a taste test. Oh, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. It's kind of like oven fries. You know, it's not as crispy as it was if you're gonna deep fry them. But you know, if you're looking for a healthy option, pretty damn good. So why not? Let me bring in a guest and see whether they like this fries. So let's have a taste and see whether it's good or not.
Let's go. It was crunchier than expected.
It's crunchier than expected? Okay.
It's actually not too bad if you add flavouring. Okay, but I eat kind of plain. Not really heavy flavoured.
Right. Maybe if you add a dip or something, right?
Yep. Well,
Yeah.
I can deal with this.
So it's good? Yeah. Alright. So the next thing we're gonna do right here is we got some broccoli florets. Because if you haven't tried air fried broccoli, man, you guys are in for a treat. So put some air fried broccoli. And you know, vegetables is cool, man. Eat your vegetables. Alright. You know what? Let's just dump the whole bag. Oh, why not? And just slap it in. And let's just put it again on frozen fries settings and see how it goes. Yeah, stay tuned. And the broccoli doesn't take long to cook, so just check it if everything is nice and brown on the florets itself, nice and kind of crispy. Then it's time to serve your broccoli. Nice. What I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of salt, just with everything. Salt saves lives. Alright.
As you can see, it's nice and crisp. Like if you were to put it on a barbecue stove, it will kind of look like this, except less oily, which is great. So let's try it by itself.
Kind of makes broccoli a little different, huh?
Yeah, kind of feels like outside in a barbecue with friends. And instead of sausages, you're like, hey, look, I brought some broccoli. Just gonna throw it into the fire.
Yeah. But does it work or yay or nay?
Yeah, but I think it would be great if you toss in more salt.
Okay.
It's kind of lacking a bit of tang.
Yeah.
I like that smoky aftertaste though.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. Kind of reminds me of. Never mind. I'm sure not going to anecdote.
Seaweed. Kind of a little bit of a seaweed flavor.
So for our next recipe, what we're gonna do is crispy mushrooms, and this is following the Phillips Air Fryer XXL recipe book that comes with the air fryer, of course. And it's very simple. Just get your mushrooms, cut it up into slices, dredge them in flour, put in an egg mixture, and then dust it off with some panko breadcrumbs, and then you'll get something like this. Right, so once you do that, put it in the air fryer, set the temperature to 180 degrees and the timer to 10 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. Loving that sound. Ooh, wow. Wow. What I'm gonna do is gonna do a little bit of a shake, then pour the rest of the mushrooms in.
Well guys, I think you're gonna love this one.
Making such a mess. Right, with our crispy mushrooms done, let's give it a taste test. Jermaine!
Alright Jermaine, so this is our crispy mushrooms. Have a try. Careful, it might be hot, I don't know.
Hot.
I literally see the smoke coming out of my mouth. Must be hot, there.
Damn nice, damn nice. It's crispy on the outside, and you can taste the soft, chewy mushrooms on the inside.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try one for myself. Could go with a dip. Pretty much everything that's air fried could go with a dip, right?
Yeah.
Oh, special hand, some special sauce.
Oh, cool.
I believe this is garlic chili.
Hot.
Hot. Oh, that's good, though.
Right, so what I got in this air fryer is the same recipe as the crispy mushrooms, but we're using fish instead. So we're kind of making like a fish and chips, per se. And again, lightly coat them with oil. And you don't have to worry too much about it being greasy or oily at the end of the cooking process, because this air fryer has a special spiral base that actually collects all the fat and the oils. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so our fish, or fish and chips, is done. Ooh, look at that golden brown. Ooh, oh snap. Yo. Got a plate with 2 lemon wedges. Let's scoop out the fish. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yo, ooh, hot. I will use tongs, but you know, sometimes being primitive is a very good thing. Alright, nice and golden brown. Gonna sprinkle some juice of limon. Right there, yeah, all nice and soaked. Yeah. If we do this right, when we break the fish, steam is gonna come out. So let's see if it's ooh. There we go, dude. Oh wow. Oh, let's try it with some tartar sauce. Crunchy on the outside, juicy and flaky in the inside. Oh man. Wow. Alright, fellow geeks, the final verdict. This is the roasted chicken. We followed the recipe from the Phillips Air Fryer XXL recipe book. And it took us about half an hour? Good half an hour to 45 minutes to cook the chicken. So it's time. Yo. 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 Okay. We're gonna fish this baby out. Yo. There we go. That's one solid piece of chicken right there, dude. Air fried chicken. Look at that. Very crispy skin. Alright, and if we take out the onions, you can see all the juice and everything. Oh, see, it's still piping hot. Steaming. Alright. Oh, my goodness. Oh! Yo. And you can see that it is crispy on both sides. The top as well as the bottom right there. Damn. Nice char going on. Tear it open. Yo, that is moist. Yo, check it out. Some juicy stuff, man. It's so juicy and tender that if you twist the drumstick, get more twisting, it just falls right out of the bone. Okay, yo, that's mad. Yo, and the bone is still piping hot. Alright, let's check out the breast meat and see how it goes. Just gonna cut right in the center. New. This is simply just juicy, fork tender. Right there, look at that. Wow. We'll have a bite. Yo. Someone set me on fire because it's lit, bro. Enough of that. I just need 5 minutes because I need a moment. So the verdict, in my opinion, about the Phillips Air Fryer XXL. Let's start with the pros. You can cook big batches of food. So if you're talking about fries, you don't have to, put small little amounts of fries into your deep fryer and then wait for a second batch. You can literally plop a whole bag of fries in it and it will come out great. The downside regarding the fries, it's not as golden and crispy as you would have in a deep fryer, but nonetheless, you still get pretty good, decent fries. out of it. We are talking about a healthier option here, so you know, less oil. The food isn't as greasy as it was if you were to deep fry it. I think the star of the show here is actually the roasted chicken. To kind of have a blend between deep fried and oven baked, you know, that crispy skin, the juicy insides, and almost fall to the bone. But the problem here is that the underside got a little bit too charred, a little bit of burnt wings over there. So that's something to take note of as well. So overall, the smart sensing technology is okay. I like the fact that you have a manual function as well. So you're not just fixed onto the programs that are required here. And the instant heat and rapid airflow technology does really make a lot of difference in terms of cooking time. If I were to bake the same chicken in the oven, it would probably make me take about an hour 15, but this was done in about 40 to 45 minutes. So this Phillips Air Fryer XXL is super duper user friendly, and you're really relying on the machine to just prompt you when it's done cooking. So considerations, the price of course, but you are getting what you're paid for. Second of all, it's huge, and if you don't have the space for it, you might not want to get it. Other than its features, you know, I just like how it's a drawer and you have a handle for it, and it's a huge handle. Another cool fact about this is that it's actually pretty easy to clean. It's actually a 3-step process. So you can wash the bucket, you can actually take out the mesh from the basket, as well as the container itself. All these parts from here on out are dishwasher safe. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below whether this air fryer is for you, or do you have one, and is there any horror stories about your current air fryer that you don't like? And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing and smash that notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our latest reviews, unboxings, and geeky tidbits. Until then, this is Zacky signing off. Very full. Wahoo!